How can we connect Claude or any Anthropic model to our n8n? Well, first let's take all this, remove it, and add a trigger. Any will do, okay? Agent, API agent, perfect. Now that we have this agent, we'll add a chat model and the Anthropic model, okay? Here it'll ask us to select a credential, click plus, and it'll request the API key, see? They give us the base URL, but it seems it's no longer active, so we'll just search for API Claude or API Anthropic, whatever works. We're on the page now. Let's go to the start building section, okay? Click the black button. It'll tell us we can start and get credits, okay? We'll start with 0 credits. That's important, okay? So here we have the costs, token pricing, which depends on models, messages, usage, and more. Let's go to API keys, okay? In the billing section, we'd add credit. As you see, I don't have any. We'll go to API keys and create a new one. We'll specify which workspace we want and what name to give it, okay? Test, for example, or something. We'd add it and then we'd have the API key, all right? It's crucial that no one sees this API key, got it? So we just copy it and paste it here, okay? We save it. Even if it shows an error, it's already connected, all right? In fact, if I take the credential and remove the API, okay? I save and run the whole process, it'll say an API key wasn't found, see? However, if I now take this, add the API, okay? Even if it says it can't connect due to wrong base URL, if I hit execute now, okay? I open it here. It'll say the problem is with the parameters, and inside it says, hey, your credit is too low to access the Anthropic API. Please check plans and billing to improve credit. Well, basically to buy credits. So with this, we'd be all set. It's that simple.